Body bronzer, something that is quite commonly heard nowadays. However, for those of y'all who do not know what is a body bronzer, this is a bronzing lotion that you get, and this lotion you use to highlight certain areas, especially when you're, say suppose, going for a party. You want to highlight your neck or your hands or your legs. That's when you apply the body bronzer. Now say suppose you do not use body bronzer quite often, or you decided that let's try it out for once, I'll see if it works good on my skin, it looks good, then maybe I can include it in my makeup whenever I go for parties or special occasions. So today I am going to show you a hack where you can get this body bronzer done with a very easy technique at home itself. You do not need to go out and buy a body bronzer in specific just for your party. You can get this done at home in a very easy way. So hope you're going to stay throughout the rest of the video and enjoy this makeup DIY. I have taken two bowls to show you all two different type of body bronzers. Let's begin. You all will need a bronze blush or bronze powder, or even a bronze eyeshadow shall do, like this. In the first bowl, I'm going to add a few pumps of baby oil. Now you all can add depending on how much you all require. So you all can use any other oil, but I prefer baby oil as it is not sticky. To this you all can add the bronze powder. Just scrape a little from the sides and add it to the oil in this way. Now do not add too much at one time, as it's going to be too you could say thick. The bronze would not really suit well on your skin. So add little by little, part by part, and keep stirring well till the powder is mixed well. The bronze powder is mixed well with the baby oil. Now I feel it requires more, so I'll just add in more bronze powder, and yes, keep on stirring. Now this depends on how thick or how light you need the effect on your skin, so as per that you can add the powder. Of course it does not need to be too thin. We'll keep this aside. I'll show you the effect of both of these. Now in the other bowl, first what I'll do is I'll scrape a little of the bronze powder. Just scrape how much you think is required. Now I'm just showing little as I do not require this. This is just a hack to show you all how you all can do this at home. So there, I have taken a little amount of the bronze powder. Okay, and to this I am gonna add cream. Ensure that you add little by little, a few pumps. Add a non-sticky cream which is smooth. Again, a baby body lotion should be fine for this. If you feel it requires to be more thin, you all can add more pumps of the body lotion. And there, can you see it's given a lovely smooth texture like, and this mixes quite easily. I'll just show you on my skin how it looks. There, can you notice the color difference? Yes. Let's see while spreading how it looks. It's giving a very beautiful bronze color. Can you see? It looks very nice. Let's try the other one, the one we made with oil. Here, see, can you see the difference between both? Yes, one is glossy, the other one is a matte finish. So you have two types of body bronzers, a matte finish one and a glossy one. So you can try whichever you like. Both of these look equally good and depends of course which y'all prefer. So this was the DIY body bronzer which you can make very easily at home without having to buy a separate in specific lotion bronzer from the store. Well, yes, everyone was quite excited in my house to see how this works. You could see the background images also, and to top it all, my daughter was coming again and again to see if the bronzer really looked good, different, you know. So I had fun doing this hack. It was something good as a makeup effect. Do give it a try. It's really worth a try. And of course you have two different type of body bronzers that you can do at home. Anything, you all have a bronze eyeshadow, or you all say, suppose you all have a bronze effect powder, you know, you do get bronze powder which you apply on your skin, or bronze blush or something. You can use those and make the body bronzer at home. And not one type, you all can make two different type. One is a matte finish and one is a glossy finish, which is so good. So for those of y'all who do use body bronzer, make use of this hack, this tip, and let me know how did y'all enjoy this kind of DIY body bronzer. I'll do waiting for your comments. For those of you all who have not yet subscribed to my channel, it's a request to please click on the subscribe button and the bell notification icon besides it to get updates on all my upcoming videos. If you are viewing my video from another source, like another social media account, then ensure to visit my channel How Hacks on YouTube and subscribe for all the latest updates. I'll see you some other day on How.